Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin inside Chrome with the page you want to turn into a link. Click the address bar and select the full URL so it's highlighted. This ensures you copy exactly. Once done, click and hold the padlock or the site icon to the left of the URL, not the back button, and drag it. You'll drag to your desktop or into a folder. This creates a shortcut file. You're making a simple, clickable link that Chrome will open for you. After you drop the icon, Chrome writes a shortcut pointing to that URL. You should right-click the new file and choose Rename so you give it a concise, recognizable name. This helps find it quickly. If you want a custom look, right-click and open Properties, then change Icon, select a file or built-in icon. Make sure to apply changes. These steps organize your shortcuts and make them visually distinct, which speeds up daily access and reduces mistakes. Now test the shortcut by double-clicking it. You should see Chrome open the exact page. If it opens in a different browser, change your default browser in System Settings or right-click the file and choose Open With, then pick Chrome. If the shortcut doesn't work or points to the wrong page, delete it and repeat the drag from address bar step. Sometimes a stray space or partial URL causes problems. Remember to rename again, and you'll have a reliable quick link.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.